Sklearn built-in datasets. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as I said in last video, we're just kind of gonna be hitting the reset button and just gonna be revisiting probably not a more simplistic but a less complicated data set. So first, before we do that, let me go ahead and show you where the data sets are already built in. So let's do import sklearn as sk. So all right, now I did show you at one point that there are packages. So when I do dir sk, you can't really see them, but if you do help sk, you will get the entire library. And just to remind you on how Python packages are built, packages are not explicitly imported, so you have to explicitly import them. So this is what we would do. We would do from sklearn, even though you've aliased this. I'll show you the work of how the alias works. So from sklearn, import data sets. So now when I do dir sk, now I have data sets. Now I haven't quite really started playing around with too many of these, but I think I alluded to that we're going to do the let's do dir sk data sets. Look at all the data sets that are built in for us that we don't even have to download, and everything is handled for us. I think it's the I'm trying to remember the one that I think will be quite easiest for us, the iris, the flowers. So it's the petal and the dimension. So the longer the petal is, the wider it is. So we don't have to really struggle, because then we're going to be able to do. So the basis of prediction is you have to have a regression model. And with an X and a Y, you're able to do a straight line, linear regression. So we won't have to get too extremely complicated, and we're able to really understand the mechanics of it. And we need to then we can begin to expand our world and do more complicated things. So I got ahead of myself with the Uber data and trying to run a marathon before I could really probably even crawl. So like I said, this whole channel is built on humility and learning, and you have to be humble to learn. I promise you. And you will learn more from mistakes, and that's why I kind of pride myself. The only reason why I know so much is because I've literally made so many mistakes. I used to joke in my old life that the only reason why I know everything, this is in that environment, know everything, is because I've made more mistakes than anybody else here. And that's it. And when I was first starting out, it was awful. But I made every conceivable mistake possible to land upon the best way to do things. I drive my kids nuts, but the quote of Thomas Edison, he didn't discover the light bulb. He found 9,999 ways to not make a light bulb. So by his 10,000th attempt, he discovered the light bulb, but only by removing all the other possibilities. So, all right, real quick video today. And I also wanted to show you this in case you wanted to get ahead of me and start playing around with any of these other data sets. You can. They're already here. They're already in the package, and you can just have at it. But I really think if the iris is the one that just has an X and a Y, or a two corresponding columns, that's probably going to be the one we're going to use. But all right, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests. If you've not jumped over to the Discord server, go ahead and do that. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.